Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today is day 6 of my wash and go, and I am pretty amazed with how it doesn't look that crazy. And I think this is partially due to the fact that I got a haircut last weekend. I think it is already making a tremendous difference in my hair. I'm not getting as many tangles in it like I normally would by like day 3. So I'm amazed that it's lasted this long. As you can see, I still have a little bit of definition. And a lot of this is due to the fact that I've been doing a Cantu leave-in conditioner, which has helped tremendously with keeping my curls somewhat in control, because they can get really crazy after day 3, like I said. So I'm gonna move my cat. Do you want to get in the video, Pearl? Do you want to get in the video? Okay, we're back. Technical difficulties with my animals. Anyways, today is the first official day of hair therapy after I received the heartbreaking news that I have, can't even say the words, heat damage. Moving on. Because I am cheap and I was pretty sure I have a lot of hair products in my cabinet, I wanted to use what I have first before I start investing in new things and trying new things. So I will be using this lovely cholesterol that I've had in my cabinet for Lord knows how long. I will be doing a cholesterol treatment after I wash and condition my hair, followed by a lovely apple cider vinegar rinse to get all of that good old buildup off the scalp. After the apple cider vinegar rinse, I will be doing a really cool mask that I am excited to try, which has 6 ingredients: coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, egg, honey, and I always do this, I feel like I'm missing something, and banana. Banana! That is the hair mask I will be doing and sharing with you today. So here we go. First, you're going to thoroughly wet your hair. Right now I am using Camille Rose shampoo. I also like to use a scalp brush to help distribute this shampoo throughout my hair and help get rid of any buildup. Once you rinse out your shampoo, it is time for your deep conditioner, and right now I am using Maui Moisture for dry hair. Make sure you cover your entire hair with this deep conditioner. Leave no strand uncovered and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've let the conditioner sit in your hair for a few minutes, you're going to start to split your hair into sections and begin the detangling process. I like to use a wide tooth comb and add a little bit of water to help with each section of hair. For the apple cider vinegar rinse, I like to take a spray bottle, fill it up halfway with apple cider vinegar, half water, and basically just soak my hair with apple cider vinegar. And then I like to take a scalp brush to try to help distribute that apple cider vinegar throughout my scalp. This does help with lifting any buildup that is on your scalp. After you've let the apple cider vinegar rinse sit in your hair for about 5 minutes, it's time to rinse it off. And again, I like to incorporate the scalp brush. It really helps to give that extra exfoliation to your scalp and really get any buildup off of it. Now I'm going to apply my cholesterol treatment. Again, you want to make sure that you are covering your entire head with this cholesterol treatment, and you are going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. It's always best to use some type of heat if you can when you're doing a hair treatment, just so your hair can absorb as many of the nutrients as possible. While I am waiting for my cholesterol treatment to kick in, I am going to go ahead and make my hair mask.
this time I learned my lesson and I decided to blend the mask so that it is a thinner consistency. And it's time to rinse out that cholesterol treatment and apply the hair mask. Once you've completely covered your hair with the mask, you're going to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it out.